Good morning, everyone, and welcome to my presentation. First of all, let me thank you all for coming here today. Let me introduce myself. I am Zakia Anissa Nurlatifah from Akademi YPF in Bandung. I am here today to present comparison of the clinical effectiveness of topical niacinamide 4% and topical clindamycin 1% for mild moderate acne vulgaris by Raja Asdika, Elva Wirdani Fitri, and Desiani 2020. By the end of this talk, you will be familiar with healthy skin. Today, I use like to give you an overview of comparison of clindamycin and niacinamide for acne vulgaris. This presentation is structured as follows: purpose of the article, introduction, research method, result, conclusion, and part of speech. I will start off by purpose of the article. This study aims to determine the clinical effectiveness of topical niacinamide 12% and topical clindamycin 1% in mild moderate acne vulgaris. Then, I will move on to introduction. What is acne vulgaris? Acne vulgaris is an inflammatory disease chronic of the pilobaceous unit accompanied by blockage from the accumulation of keratin material in the glandular duct characterized by the presence of komedo, papules, pustule, nodule, cysts are often found and will occur in the area peridilation such as face, upper shoulder or superior extremities, chest, and back. The next slide. Niacinamide or nicotinamide is an antipotential inflammatory of various skin disease. Reduction inflammation plays a role as the main mechanism niacinamide in the treatment of acne vulgaris. In recent research suggests that the use of niacinamide was well tolerated good by the skin, even although the product shows beneficial impact and reduce sebum production. Clindamycin is more effective for treatment acne when compared with erythromycin and tetracycline, but the use of this drug is widespread, resulting in the emergence of acne strains resistant to clindamycin. This is an example of clindamycin medicine, and this is example of niacinamide medicine. The next slide. Research method. This type of research is quantitative, with the pre-experimental design approach was used to determine comparative clinical effectiveness topical clindamycin 1% and topical niacinamide 4% in mild moderate acne vulgaris. The next slide. Result. In the clindamycin therapy group sample, after the use of clindamycin for 6 consecutive weeks were obtained reduction of acne statistical and clinical. Based on research, there are differences very significant between the number of acne before and after. Thus, the result obtained are studies found a reduction in acne lesion after treatment was carried out in the therapy group. The next slide. According to the research result obtained, there are significant differences in therapy group niacinamide before and after treatment. Number of acne lesions in the treatment group niacinamide before and after reduction. The next slide. Conclusion. Based on research results can be obtained. It was concluded there of no different meaningful clinical effectiveness of use topical niacinamide 1% and topical niacinamide 4% in mild moderate acne vulgaris in University Medicine Study Program General Medicine. And part of speech verb is accompanied character are conflict, suggest, product, reduce, use, determine, obtained, will, carried out, conclude. Adverb often will vary significant, will statistical, clinical, significant. Conjunction and that or yet. So does the ever according. The next slide. Noun. Acne disease chronicity pilosebaceous unit. Blockage keratin material. Das komedo papule pustule nodule cyst. Scars are face, shoulders, extremities, chest, back. Niacinamide, nicotinamide, inflammation, skin disease, research, Hem's treatment, acne vulgaris, clindamycin, erythromycin, tetracycline drug, strain-resistant design, general, university, medicine, study, program, therapy, results, different, faculty, approach, effectivitas, sample, weak, lesion. The next slide. Adjective, inflammatory, chronic pilosebaceous, granular, keratin, superior, various, kins, antipotential, beneficial, significant, meaningful, clinical, topical, mild, moderate, quantitative, pre-experiential, competitive, and consecutive. Do you have any question? Thank you all for listening. It was a pleasure being here today. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.